Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. We're still dealing with the remnants of Irma today in the southeast. The winds are starting to deteriorate quite rapidly, but a little bit breezy. We still have some rain. Still watching Jose in the Atlantic Basin and some snow in the northwest. Here's a look at some of the top winds from Irma. So these were tallied over the last several days. Most of these strong winds coming in on Sunday, though. Top wind gust Naples 142, Marco Island 130, Big Pine Key at 120, and then Miami International actually coming in at 99 miles per hour. We also had some very heavy rainfall. Fort Pierce seeing nearly 16 inches of rain. Gainesville about 12 and a quarter. Fort Myers at 10.3, and Orlando almost 9.5 inches. So there's the remnants of Irma. We go from the infrared to the visible satellite. You can still see some cloudiness in the particular areas there. Again, some wind advisories as you get closer to the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. Still some flood concerns along the eastern side of Florida and South Carolina and North Carolina. But the track, again, shows that drifting to the north and west. We're pretty much done with the significant impacts of Irma. Now it's just the cleanup, the residual flooding, and, of course, more rain off to the north and west. Still could be seeing up to an inch. Jose continues as a hurricane, also watching that wave, but at this point not a big threat. So there's Jose, not a defined eye wall. It could be dropping down to tropical storm strength, but then ramping back up as a hurricane as it kind of loops and heads back to the north. Meanwhile, in the eastern Pacific, several waves of energy here. We actually have Tropical Depression 15, could be another named storm as we head into the afternoon or overnight tonight, certainly into Wednesday as that drifts west. Meanwhile, fire weather concerns in the northwest, still pretty warm, but we have a system that'll be moving in from the northwest, and by the middle and end of this week, could be looking at our first snowfall of the northern Rockies and the Canadian Rockies here.